Oh my god. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Sweet Mother Mary. Oh my god. Cooked, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how this works. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm actually low-key kind of nervous. I'm very nervous, but my hair... Well, this is not what I wanted at all. Yeah. So she's back. She's not as orange. This is good. We're back for bleaching round 2. Bleaching round 2. Ooh. That was really painful to watch, probably, just as it was painful to do. Yeah, so we're back and she's blonde. I haven't really worn it down in like a week because it took so long for everything to come in, but now everything's here and we can do it hopefully properly. Because of my last video, everyone has been tagging me in a lot of Brad Mondo videos just to get some more information and clarity on what I need to do, and that was actually really helpful because I made a lot of mistakes in the last video. I didn't brush my hair before. I don't know if that was a big issue because cutting it short really detangled a lot of my hair basically, because all the tangleness was like at the ends and that's where it was really dead. And then this is super embarrassing, but I didn't have a developer for the toner, so when I used the toner I mixed it with purple shampoo, which I watched it in like one of his videos, and he said that does nothing at all, so that's probably why I was brassy. As for the rest, I didn't lather it up as well, so I got 2 more packets. Hopefully that works. I'm actually unsure because the last time I bleached my hair I used 2 things of Manic Panic bleach and it still didn't cover all of my hair. Like, I ran out at the last second. So I'm hoping the 2 more lightning packets I got from Wella are gonna be more sufficient, I guess. And obviously I need to get the back. I got a handheld mirror because I didn't have one last time, so I'm hoping that works as well. I'm very excited to do this. I have my measuring kit, I have new gloves. Oh, I'm burping so much. Yeah, and I'm super excited. My friend Emily just left this morning after after surprising me for my not birthday. She road tripped all the way over here and dropped off these cute little bouquet of flowers, as well as a graduation balloon that says "you did it." So yeah, that works for a birthday too, you know. I did it. I made it another year alive. Yay, snaps for that. So yeah, let's get prepped into the bathroom and let's get to bleaching. I'm actually really excited to finish this so I can like wear my hair down and style it more other than just leaving it in a ponytail all the time. So yay. All right, halfway there. I know this is like insane. So instead of dividing it into like 4 sections, I did like 5 or 6 again because again I completely missed the back and all of the roots, but hopefully this time will be a lot better. This is like a peacock or something. So yeah, hopefully this time will be better. I'm about to mix the developer. I'm about to mix the bleach and the developer together. It says not 1:1, so it's like a whole packet, and then 1.5 to 2 ounces of the developer. I cannot take myself seriously. I made sure to get the back. So yeah, again, gonna let it cook for some time. Gonna clean everything up, wash off the bleach on my face, but it's getting like actually blonde, and I'm super excited for it. So I'll see you in like another 30-ish minutes so I can wash it out. Also, I'm afraid some of my hair is gonna fall out, but I think it's just gonna be like the breakage from the last time that I bleached my hair. So yeah, we'll see. If it comes out in clumps, I'm gonna be scared, but it looks to be cooking quite evenly, so I'm very excited. So see you in like a Vampire Diary episode. All right, it's been a good amount of time. It looks good from what I can tell. I'm gonna take a shower and wash it off. Hopefully nothing falls out. I'm like really nervous about that. See you in like 5 minutes. It looks good. Okay, so this is it after. It's better. Hopefully the toner will help. It's wet, but I got the back of it pretty good. And now I am about to mix the toner. The only thing that concerns me is that the roots are blonder than the rest. And so now I'm like getting nervous, because hopefully that would have been my last round of bleach before I dye it purple. But like there's still random brown parts that I definitely thought I had gotten. Okay, now I'm about to mix the toner together and run it through. So hopefully, let's see what happens. So we're approaching the 30-minute mark on having my hair being toned. It looks like pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited for the results. I put a lot on my roots. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, just to be safe, because you never know. Damn, I'm like really excited to see this and get purple today or tomorrow. Yee. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I thoroughly enjoy this. Let me back up. Let me spin around. It's not styled, obviously. I just got done blow drying it, but oh my god. I enjoy it. I enjoy this so much. I might do another round of toner. I enjoy this. Oh, it's like super frizzy, obviously. Cause I just blow dried it. I enjoy the frick out of this. Oh my god. Okay, I styled it, and this is what we have. I don't know about y'all, but oops. This honestly looks way better than what I had it last time, obviously. I am super excited about the results. Oh my god, I could not be more in love with this look than if I tried. Yeah, I just can't stop. I straightened it because I cut it like with dead shears. This is the first time I've straightened it, and I obviously can see more of like the longer pieces. Like, what is this? Wow, that's really bad. But yeah, I love it so much. I wanted it, I guess, like when I probably should have like looked at how to cut hair before I just chopped like 12 inches off or whatever. But I am not mad with how the blonde came out. This was like my biggest concern, because in the last video, dude, I was so scared. But now I'm gonna wait. I want to like wait a week with this blonde hair, and then maybe in like a week change it to the pastel purple or like the silver gray. We'll see what happens, but this is the end result of the blonde that I wanted to get, and I am so excited. And I'm actually really upset that it took me this long to even go blonde, because for the longest time I thought I could never, because my hair was so dark. So I am very excited that I'm able to do this, and it resulted in something that I like. It took a long time. It took 2 rounds of bleach with like 4 different packets of bleach. So I'm very excited that it's finally this color. Honestly, getting out of the shower, I was super nervous. When I had just bleached my hair, I was like, it's a lot. So I was super nervous to see how the toner would react, because it was still not like the color I wanted. Basically, it wasn't like this color. So once I toned it and then I blow dried it, it turned out like this, and I love it so much. I think it's super cute. It's a nice color and I can't get enough of it. And so next time maybe I'll have purple hair. Yay! Love that. Okay,